Hi, I'm Steve Cater, the service manager with Jay's Heat and Air and Plumbing. I've been in the industry for over 30 years, and the work that my service team does is truly phenomenal. We complete a full system analysis on every service call. This means that we give you a full report on the health of your system. What this means to you is that it gives you peace of mind that we are not only going to find the problem and fix the problem, but we're also going to find and fix what caused that problem. We provide preventive maintenance on systems, kind of like an airplane mechanic performs maintenance on an airplane. Our precision maintenance keeps your system operating at peak performance, keeping your power bills as low as possible. We provide upfront pricing, not hourly like most other companies. This means that we give you price upfront before any work begins, and there are no hidden fees. We have the only fully functioning training center in our area. Our employees get to get their hands down and dirty with a fully functioning HVAC equipment. That means when we come to your home, we're not guessing with your equipment. They have the skill and the training to take care of you and your system.